Alright, so welcome to this example. Here we are adding and subtracting a rational expression whose denominators are opposites. So they're almost the same as each other, but they're opposite sign. Okay? So basically, you want to make them the same by switching it around. So instead of 1 minus m squared, I want m squared minus 1. But basically, if you do that, that means you're like factoring out a negative 1. Okay, so we have m squared minus 6m over m squared minus 1 minus 3m plus 2. We factor out a negative 1, and we get m squared minus 1. Okay, so factoring out a negative 1 will switch it so it's the same. It looks like it's the same order as the other one, so you can match it. But now we have to simplify this. So we have a negative divided by a negative. This makes it a plus. So minus a negative is going to make it addition. Alright, so this is going to be m squared minus 6m over m squared minus 1 plus 3m plus 2 over m squared minus 1. Okay? If you want, you can skip this step. Alright? Basically, you kind of go, it's like, oh, notice this is opposite. I'm going to turn it around to be m squared minus 1 so I can match this one. But if I flip it over, then I need to change the sign, okay, because of that negative 1. All right? So the denominators are the same. Make one big fraction with that common denominator on the bottom. And then we have m squared minus 6m plus 3m plus 2. All right, so we combine them, but now we need to simplify. So we're going to collect like terms. M squared minus 3m plus 2 over m squared minus 1. We need to reduce, so factor m minus 2 m minus 1 divided by m minus 1 and m plus 1. All right, look for things that divide by themselves. So this crosses out, and we have m minus 2 on top, m plus 1 in the denominator, and that's the simplified fraction.